Hola amigos, I am Lorenzo from Broodminder, and this week we are spending a very good moment at Meliza Congress here. We are in Spain. This show is becoming one of the most trendy shows in Europe, and I want to show you how it is and maybe meet some people, some good friends. So follow me. Meliza started 7 years ago. It's a 7th edition here, and I want to introduce you some good friends that are exposing here their products, and they are really fun. Come with me. So Guilherme, I happy to see you.
Always my pleasure to be here with you.
Tell me what are you doing at JGS? Tell me this.
You know of it already. We are a large manufacturer of beehives. You know that I'm part of the fourth generation of the company. It's a company.
Generation?
Fourth generation.
How many years already?
82.
82 years building hives.
So I didn't have like an alternative. You know, my life had to be here in this company.
Yeah.
It's definitely a family business with amazing people around. We are today around 60 people.
60 people, employees in your company?
In Portugal, in Cabeceiras, close to Guimarães.
Okay, it's north, right?
Exactly. And it was the first capital of Portugal, an amazing city as well for all the ones that want to visit our company. It's a must as well, visiting Guimarães. And during this fair, we are here to present our certificate FSC, which is something related to sustainability, and it proves our commitment to sustainability. So we are here presenting a bit all the fronts we have been involved during these last 2 years.
FSC is what? Is a brand? Is a label?
Yeah, it's a label important for us because it shows our commitment to the responsible and sustainable management of forests. So here we are a key stakeholder because we turn pine wood mainly into beehives, but we have other stuff as well, not always related to beekeeping because my great grandfather started producing wooden packaging for fruit, vegetables, etc. And it was only much later that we started producing as well beehives. And today in beekeeping, we have everything from clothes to bee food to bee walks, everything.
So you're producing in Portugal for Portugal, or what's your range?
Now we have been selling to many different countries, not only to Europe but also to Africa. We have some projects also in our former colonies, other countries like Nigeria, Senegal. So there are other markets we have been, but our main markets are definitely here, Spain,
Portugal, Spain,
France, Switzerland, yeah, Netherlands, Luxembourg. Yeah, we have some markets. Yeah, but definitely the three main markets are France, Spain, and Portugal for us. And you know, it's a process moved all the time by passion, and it's something very important here in beekeeping. And I think this is the strength of beekeeping, the factor of resilience, because you know that we have been passing by as a crisis in this
going up and down.
Yeah, this is part of the process. I would say in most of the markets this happens, but you will always find here resilience because people really love bees. And they know the importance of bees in so many processes, mainly in agriculture, everything we eat. So we are suffering in general, but we do believe that in the long, medium, long term things.
So what I understand is that not only bees are swarming, because you are also swarming in different countries and selling your products in many places, right?
No, it's part of the process. You know, we are a young team, and if you really want to be part of this huge company, if you have to
All those places.
yeah, if you want to have a future here in this in this market, you have to look not only at new markets but also new products, and that's the reason why we try to set this partnership with you, because we want to bring technology to our portfolio. We want to present new things to our beekeepers to open their perspective in general, and for us this is like a mission as well.
Yeah.
In general.
And I've heard from customers that are going to see us that your hives are super quality. And they always talk to me saying, well, JGS hives are really good stuff. It's very good quality. So can you tell us I mean, I don't know, what is making it good quality? What's what it takes?
We are the only company in the world with a whole process inside, because we bring the pine wood itself, the trunks,
Yeah, the wood.
and we turn the trunks into VIs.
You buy the tree
Exactly.
and you start from the tree to the hive.
Yeah, because we have the whole process from the drying process to the first manufacturing process, and soon you'll have the chance to visit.
I will go. I will go to visit this.
You visit this, and of course, with this we can control each step of each
Just there,
process
so that at the end we have good wood.
of the process. Exactly, and then it's a matter also selection of the wood. We have been specialized in selecting the wood. Even before starting producing beehives, we're already the main supplier in Iberia of wood for beehives.
Okay.
So we know what the beekeepers like, you know, and then it's a matter of being very close to the beekeepers. If they say we have to improve here, you have to improve there's something here that I don't like. We love this interaction with beekeepers, and it allows us to make things better all the time. So this was a process, and it's still ongoing.
Yeah.
Like,
And so you have
say-
Dada and Langstroth, different models. I don't know.
yeah, you know, if you want to embrace new markets, we don't have alternatives. So we start, of course, with the Portuguese models, Lusitana and Reversible.
Okay.
And afterwards, to get in the Spanish market, we start with Langstroth, Industrial Dada, and much later with Lions.
Okay.
And now we are producing all the models they use here in Spain. For the French market, we also have Dada. The measures are always different.
Yeah.
They keep the name.
Standards in beekeeping is hard.
Yeah, and even for the same models, you always have to adjust, because each beekeeper has its
Okay.
like requirements. So we have to align with these requirements. So in France, we have Vache as well, Vogno. So there are some models that we have in our portfolio, and this was important to
How many references can you say? Or no, 5?
considering everything today. We have over 3,000 references.
3,000 references?
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course, most of them related to wood, but the portfolio is really large
Okay.
at the moment. So
Wow.
a bit chaotic sometimes. So to manage all these things, and we are not that good at databases. We need a
Yeah, but it's okay. I've learned things. I already know you, of course, but I've learned things during this interview. It's really great. Thank you.
and hopefully next year we'll bring something new as well to present. And that's like a challenge to bring novelty, you know.
For new things, yeah.
Yeah,
To the beekeeping
we're
world,
not only for the pleasure of having new things, but also to help the keepers.
to push this business and the people that are inside to improve, right?
Yeah, if you are not the ones bringing these like novelties, new solutions, who's gonna be the one? You know?
Yeah. We need young guys like you. Thank you.
Thank you for this moment.